So let's use Python with ChatGPT to create a game very fast. Let's go. ChatGPT, give me 5 ideas of simple games to create with Python. Let's go. Let's see the output. Sure, here are 5 ideas for simple games you can create with Python. Guess the number, text-based adventure, hangman, tic-tac-toe, rock, paper, scissors. Okay, let's create the rock, paper, scissors using ChatGPT. Give me the script to create rock, paper, scissors with Python. Let's go, man. Sure. Here's a simple script for a rock, paper, scissors using Python, in Python. Okay. He is writing. Great. Let's go. Copy code. It's so easy nowadays to create a code. So let's go. Let me close this. Here's a method to get the choice of the user. It will receive the input from the user. Here we are using this input method. We can get also the computer choice. It will generate a random choice. So we are competing against the computer and a method to determine the winner. Okay. I will not explain every detail of this code. I didn't study the code. Let's just run the code and see the output. Welcome to rock, paper, scissors. Enter your choice. Paper. Rock. Yeah, bro. I win. I choose paper. The computer chooses rock. So I am the winner. Okay, so that's it, guys. This is a very fast video just to have some fun with ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT to, bro, so many things. We could create other games, but we created this rock, paper, scissors, Let me run again this code, Python. Let me put the file path here. I will run the code from terminal just to run in a different way, okay? Now let's put the path here, game, which is the folder, and game underscore gpt.py. Okay, it's Python 3, sorry. Python 3. The fuck, man? What I did wrong, my friend? Let me open the folder cd game, the game folder where the file is located. Now let me try to run the code again. The fuck, man? Let me try just Python. Okay. Finally. So now I will choose paper again because yes, I want. Bro, again, the same thing, bro. Again, I choose paper and the computer chooses rock and I win. Bro. I want to lose at least once, at least one time. I will choose paper again. Okay, now I lose. That's it, guys. This was the video. I will put this code on. No, I will not put the code in the description. Sorry. If you want this code, ask ChatGPT. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.